Need help keeping up with marketing tasks? You are not alone. 67% of CMOs grapple with data overload, while the average marketer spends 6 hours daily on manual tasks. This inefficiency leads to missed opportunities, with 95% of companies losing revenue due to faulty lead lifecycle management. But there is a smarter way of doing this. Marketing automation software streamlines routine marketing tasks and allows you time to focus on strategy. HubSpot, a leader in the industry with a 37.5% market share, offers a powerful marketing automation solution. HubSpot centralizes your data, automates repetitive tasks, and delivers data-driven insights to craft effective experiences at scale. Personalize email marketing campaigns, schedule social media posts, automate lead nurturing, follow-ups, and more. Its effectiveness is evident in real-world scenarios. One of our customers used HubSpot's growth stack to create personalized experiences, resulting in 55,000 plus website visits, 26,000 plus leads, and 41,000 interactions. Exadata saw a 4x increase in its website traffic and a 6x boost in leads in just 5 months of using the HubSpot Marketing Automation platform. Want to unlock similar growth for your business? Get started with HubSpot Marketing Automation. Graziti Interactive, a certified HubSpot solutions partner, can help you implement and customize your HubSpot platform to maximize your return on investment. To learn more, visit our website www.graziti.com or write to us at info@graziti.com.